They're always somewhere around us. On the street, at the park, even at home. You can see them everywhere. They are motors, offering power to the city, for people to live in a more convenient life, to live more comfortably, to feel more relieved, and to feel safer. We inspire people, make their life full of imagination. We, Nichibo Motor, exist all for you. Keeping the faith and making outstanding achievements by continuous research and development since 1976 makes the world in perfect harmony. There may be some obstacles on our R&D path. However, we firmly believe that each challenge leads us farther and allows us to step closer to innovation. Advanced equipment and a top production line ensure our accurate and efficient manufacturing process. Each glorious achievement is the key and motive to further success. This faith keeps Nichibo Motor moving with such a belief. No limit, no end. Nichibo Motor.